Hi everyone, it's Wednesday the 8th of April and I'm Carol. Lovely to be back with you again just to share a couple of thoughts on where we are with the fight against COVID-19. So this week I published on behalf of the Health Board the 5-point plan for tackling COVID here in Powys. It's widely available if you want to have a read of the detail, but just in short, just to say the first part of that is about staying home and saving lives. Protecting the NHS. And that's now a very familiar message from the government, but I think we need to keep reinforcing that. And although it's really hard, I think most people are really trying very hard to stick to that. I think we keep re-emphasising the importance of it. The second point is about self-care, family and community support, and I caught up recently with Carl Cooper from Pavo, who was telling me about the tremendous response that there have been of volunteers to support in both community and in other parts of our plan as well. So fantastic response to that element. The third part is around primary care, and there's a lot of work going on in primary care, and in particular the hot assessment hubs for people who suspect they have COVID-19, and they'll be up and running very soon. The fourth part of the plan is the community hospitals, and in particular the expansion of our beds and the types of patients that we'll take into those beds with the care closer to home emphasis as well. So I can see that the new beds have arrived, so they'll be getting out into clinical areas shortly. And then finally is the support into district general hospitals for people in Powys who need that level of care. And I can say that the expansion of critical care units and facilities across all of our district general hospitals is taking place, and they're preparing well. I also just want to say a huge thanks to people who are in the support side of things, and it is going to be really, really key that occupational health, workforce, logistics and the support services themselves gain the recognition for the amount of work that's going on in order to help us with those frontline service delivery areas. So thank you very much for the work that you're putting in as well. And I just want to say that as we approach the bank holiday weekend, we've got about 58 cases of COVID currently in the Powys population, and so it is increasing, but it's important that we see that this effort will take place over the coming months. And not just the next few days or weeks. So as bank holiday comes, I do hope that you get a chance to rest, recuperate, recharge the batteries, ready for the weeks ahead. And if you're working, I still hope that you manage to find some time to get together with your very close household family, of course. And I've been hearing all sorts about connecting on Zoom and other connection platforms, and some fantastic stories. So hopefully you're managing through the technology to keep connected as well. And our final note, so many random acts of kindness. I wanted to say thank you for the random act of kindness that I came into this morning, which is this lovely jar of sweets. And for those who've been working with me more closely over the last couple of weeks, you'll know that my favoured sherbet lemons, and there's definitely sherbet lemons in there, so that'll keep me going. Thank you so much, and thank you to everyone for looking out for each other, and please continue to do so. Best wishes, catch you soon. Bye now.